Let me tell you how to get over second act problems. I hear this a lot. It's brutal, right? You have a great idea for a story, you have a great opener, you set up your world, you set up the basic conflict, and then what do? You've got to fill that whole middle fat chunk of the book with all this stuff, maybe even know the ending, but what do you do in the middle? And it's a really common problem, such that it even has a name called second act problems. Don't think about it in terms of how the actual story is going to look for the moment. Take a step back. You want to list all the possible obstacles that your hero could face in achieving the goal that you've set for them in Act 1. Don't worry about the order, none of that yet. Create a list. So if it's a love story, the person that the hero loves is in a relationship with another person. The other person doesn't like them because of some misunderstanding from the past and how they see each other. Very common. It's called screwball comedies, in fact, where people meet and immediately hate each other. And the reason they hate each other is because they're destined to be together. Think of all the ways that they're going to have conflict that's going to make it impossible for them to be together. And then once you've got that list in front of you, you can go through it and order it according to severity. Maybe it's a spy thriller. They burn down the hero's house. If there's also in your list that the hero loses their job, well, losing your job is less serious than having your house burned down. So that's going to come earlier in the story. List, rising action. Thirdly, you want to think about how this relates to the theme of the story. If the story is about being true to yourself, if the story is about virtue is its own reward, the road to hell is paved with good intentions, think about how all those things in your list fit into that. If they don't fit into that, if you can't make them fit into that somehow, then get rid of them. I hope that helped. If it did, give me a like, give me a comment, ask questions about other problems that you may be having with your writing at the moment, and give me a follow, and let's keep moving forward. Or in my case, keep moving on the same spot while moving forward.